KHKT News Today.
A deadly heatwave currently frying Spain, France and Portugal is about to nudge Britain into record temperatures again, prompting government warnings to be alert and ready for scorching weather to return. A plume of roasting air from the continent threatens to send temperatures soaring past the 35°C, 95°F, mark in southeastern England this weekend. Swathes of the UK are on alert for the hottest spell of summer so far amid warnings heatwave conditions could hold out into autumn. Temperatures across southern England will rocket back into the 30°C on Saturday with highs in the upper 20°C forecast widely across the country. Weather models show ground temperatures hitting a blistering 43°C, 109.4°F, in parts next week, hot enough to melt road surfaces. Public Health England, PHE, with the Met Office has issued a Level 2 alert and readiness heat health watch advisory across East Anglia, London, the southeast and parts of southern Britain. A PHE spokesman said, dry and sunny conditions will become established across southern and southeastern England from Wednesday onwards, allowing temperatures to climb again and light wind conditions. With this there is a likelihood of reaching heat wave temperature threshold criteria from Friday and into the weekend. Heat waves can be dangerous, especially for the very young or very old or those with chronic disease. Temperatures will climb through the coming days before hitting a peak at the weekend, forecasters say. Long-range experts warn heat-weary Britons face sweltering through the rest of August and possibly into September. It comes as Met Office figures reveal last month was the third warmest July on record with an average mean temperature of 17.2°C, 62.96°F. It failed to topple 2006's record of 17.8°C, 64.04°F, and just fell shy of the 17.3°C, 63.14°F, recorded in July 1983. Dr. Mark McCarthy, manager of the Met Office's National Climate Information Centre, said, "The UK experienced its hottest ever May this year, and its second hottest June. For a large part of July it looked as if we might see another record-breaking month, but lower temperatures in the north and west and the storms at the end of the month meant that was not the case. However, temperatures were well above average and rainfall much lower, particularly in parts of England, continuing the pattern of an unusually warm, dry summer overall. Last month brought the hottest day of the year so far when the mercury hit 35.3°C, 95.54°F, in Faversham, Kent, on July 26. Some forecasters reckon the highest temperatures of summer are yet to come and could strike as soon as this weekend. James Madden, forecaster for Exacta Weather, said, temperatures are about to rise significantly over the next few days as we go back into another heat wave. We could hit the 35°C, 95°F, mark before the start of next week, and there is a chance of seeing something even higher with just a small nudge in the right direction toppling the all-time UK record of 38.5°C, 101.3°F, before the end of summer. Above-average temperatures are now likely to hold out through the start of the meteorological autumn. It is important to note that while there will be more hot and predominantly summery weather to come, there will be an ongoing risk of thunderstorms which will bring some welcome rainfall. While Scotland and northern England will escape the fieriest conditions this weekend, baking sunshine will send thermometers rocketing across the whole of the UK, forecasters say. The weather company's Saraswati Asami predicts the highest temperatures across the southern half of the country, while showers will cool things down further north. Low pressure will bring cooler winds across Scotland and northern Britain next week, although the hot weather will hold out elsewhere, she added. She said, this weekend is expected to be predominantly sunny and hot for most of the UK, with temperatures peaking in the southeast at around 32°C, 89.6°F, or 33°C, 91.4°F, Some showery interruptions can be expected in the west and north at times. There is some uncertainty in the forecast into next week as there are significant positional and timing differences in the forecasted pressure pattern over the UK between various weather models. In general, high pressure will be dominant in the south with low pressure centers passing to the north. However, the timing and positional differences of the movement of these will affect both the temperature trend and rainfall pattern. Our forecast presently is for temperatures earlier in the week to remain quite warm, but later in the week they are expected to trend slightly cooler. With high pressure dominating the south, it will continue to be mostly dry and sunny. However, low pressure passing to the north will result in some rainy bands dipping southward over Scotland and western Britain at times. A southerly airflow will see warm air from the continent sweep towards Britain, clipping the southeast corner of the country at the weekend, the Met Office said. However, government forecasters insist the UK will not see anything close to the record temperatures currently being recorded in France, Spain, and Portugal. Met Office meteorologist Sophie Yeoman said, "We are expecting things to hot up over the next few days, with the southeast likely to see the highest temperatures. It will depend on cloud cover and any rain, just how warm it gets. Showers could pop up anywhere over the weekend. There is currently very hot air over France, and there will be a southerly airflow bringing up air from the continent. We will be just on the edge of this, so there will be some influence on the weather here. However, the very hot air will remain over Europe." A government heatwave advisory comes into force on Friday morning and will remain in place through the weekend.